Fule, Department of Botany, Mahatma Phule Mahavidyalaya, Bharuch. Friends, welcome you on this online platform. Today we are discuss about the part of the flowers and function of each part of the flower. So these are the parts of the flower: stalk, sepal, petals, stamens, anther, pistil, stigma, ovary and ovules. We are here discuss about the function of each part of the flower. First of all is stalk. The flower stalk holds the flower to the stem. Then the sepal, the green part of the plants. The sepal protect the young flower during the bud stage. Third is colored petals. The group of petals is called as corolla, and each member of corolla is called as petals. So big and colorful petals attract the insect to transfer the pollen grain from anther to the stigma. Then third one is the male part of the flower called as stamens, and group of stamens is called as the androecium. So function of the stamens is, it is the male part of the flower and consists of anther and filaments. Third one is anther. The anther produces the pollen grains. Then the female part of the flower is the pistil. It is the female part. It has stigma, style and ovary. Stigma, style and ovary. Then stigma, it receives the pollen grains from the anther. Then ovary, in immature condition it is called as ovary. When mature, the ovary develop into the fruits. It contains the ovules and the ovary will develop into the fruits. And last part is the ovules. In immature condition it is called as ovules. When mature, it is called as seeds. Ovule will develop into the seeds. So friends, these are the parts of the flower. Look at here in the diagrams. Any queries? So ask me. Thank you.